Hiya, I hope you're okay. I'm fine, thank you very much. London is a beautiful, beautiful sunny day today, and it's really, really warm. I love the sunshine. I just really, really love the sunshine. Anyway, I had a couple of things that I've been wanting to do for the past 2 or 3 weeks that I just wasn't able to do. So as I said, this morning I had a good day when I got up, so I thought I'm going to run out and do a couple of things. So I popped into IKEA and B M, and it was quite good. I had something to take back to IKEA to return because it wasn't working for me, so I took that back and got a refund. And I needed one thing from IKEA. That's all I needed. But you know, when you go into IKEA, you know that you're always going to have a look around and you're going to see things that most probably that you shouldn't be buying, but then you end up buying it. And hopefully you do buy it because it's going to serve a purpose, of course. So that's that. So I went to IKEA this morning and I picked up this bed linen. I needed a fitted sheet, and the one that I previously bought was too big. I needed the European standard size for the mattress, which is 160, but I bought 180, so I had to take that back. So I've managed to get this one. I couldn't get it in the pink that I bought it in, the baby powder pink. It was really a nice light pink. So I opted for a grey because they only had sort of off-white, cream, beigey colour, white, and I think they had black and the grey. So I opted for the grey because that will go with my bed linen decor anyway. So that was that, and I think that was £17 something. But even though it's expensive, well, I think it is, they wash really, really good. I really like IKEA bed linen because they wash really, really well, and they last really long. So I was happy to purchase that. And I was walking past, well, browsing of course, and I happened to see these. They're stationery, so these are nice, really nice. So I think I might, well, they're sealed very well. Stop people from opening up the packets and leaving them. Okay, so it's on a nice piece of cardstock. It's really nice actually. It's got the tiger on it and the melon. And he's got a clown hat on, the tiger. That's great. Lovely. So these are stickers, and these will last me quite a bit. Can either use them in my planner, and can use these for embellishments as well. Really nice, lovely. They're all the same anyway. These are all the same, and these are all the same. Yeah, so I thought I'd pick these up. I think these were £2.50 a packet. It's worth it. The colours are really pretty, and I really like the gold and the pinks. Yeah, so that's that. And I also picked this up. This is the Lucky Bamboo, and I'm not very green fingered at all, but these are pretty easy to maintain. Very easy to maintain. I've had them in the past, and I just happened to see it today, and I thought I'm gonna get myself one and see how that goes. throughout the month. So that's that, the Lucky Bamboo. They grow really, really nice, and this one, as you can see in the stem, is starting to grow already. So these ones, all the fresh ones, just, so that's lovely. So I picked that up, and I'll leave all the prices and the name of the items in the list below, just in case you might want to pop to IKEA and pick something up. So I got that, and I put that aside, so let me quickly get it. And this is the best bargain of the morning. It's just a little caddy to put things in. It's a metal one, but I can hook that on. I've got a grid that I'm working on, organising. It's to put on the wall, and I can use this. Could just hook it onto the grid, and that was 50p. I paid 50p for that. Yeah, so that's my bargain of the morning. And then, excuse me, I popped into B M and I picked up some sandpaper. I needed some sandpaper for some bits and pieces of DIYs that I'm busy doing at the moment. So I picked that up. 6-pack assorted aluminium oxide, premium quality abrasive for general sanding use, lasts longer than conventional glass paper and resists clogging. So yeah, so I've got that, and that's by Harris the Contractors. So I'll list it all below in the description box. And I picked up some microfiber cloths, and these are all the rainbow colours. These are some of the rainbow colours, and I'm really happy. I love microfiber cloths. They're really good to use around the house, and when you use them, they really clean well. They take off a lot of the debris that needs coming off, like your tiles and stuff like that. So I really like the microfiber cloths, and these ones are good ones as well, because they do have some, you know, other places that you buy them and they're not really good. I know Iceland has got a really good one as well. So whenever I'm in Iceland, I like to pick them up. So I picked these up. I really, the colour's beautiful. Wow, absolutely beautiful. I love the colours. Favourite colours, of course, purple and pinks. Lovely. And then I popped over to the craft supplies to see if I can pick up some glitter, because I've got a project to do. Some blue glitter, but they didn't have any, unfortunately. But they did have these 3D craft stickers. So I picked these up. These will come in handy for a craft. These ones are the pink ones. And they're lovely. Love that. And also, these are the pink, and this is the blue. Beautiful. And these were $1.49 each. Alpha stickers are normally expensive anyway, and I really like to shop around, and when I see the bargains, I really grab them, because I'm forever wanting Alpha stickers. And it's double-sided as well. So we've got the alphabets on one side, and it continues on the other side, and then we've got numbers. Yeah, we've got the equal sign and question, exclamation, all bits and pieces. So I think that was a really good buy. So I was happy with that. Very, very happy with that. So that is my quick haul for the morning, and I'm glad I managed to push myself to get out of the house and go and take back the exchange the bed linen that I needed to as well. So I've really achieved a lot today. I should pat myself on the back, treat myself to maybe a cheesecake or something. Okay, so that's that. I'll leave all the details about the items that I've purchased today down below in the description box, and thank you very much for watching.